In this video, I have cut my own hair without using a trimmer and using scissors from my kitchen because I could not find the real hair cutting scissors. I don't know where I had kept it, so I just ended up using plain scissors. So if you want to see how I cut my own hair without trimmer and just with scissors, please keep on watching. So for this we are going to need one pair of scissors. If you have scissors which are used specifically for cutting hair, then it's going to be really good, but I couldn't find mine, so I'm using kitchen scissors here. And two rubber bands. I'm using a thick rubber band and a thin rubber band and a comb. So here I am first going to wet my hair really well because my hair is slightly curly, wavy, and you won't be able to cut your hair properly if your hair is not straight. I don't like to straighten my hair very often. It's a very rare occasion when I straighten my hair. So for the haircut, I'm just going to wet my hair and comb it nicely. So while I'm doing that, let me quickly introduce myself to you. If you are new on this channel, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So on my channel you will find a lot of information videos on cruelty-free brands, tutorials, DIYs, and sometimes haircuts like this video, and a lot many more interesting videos. So if you haven't subscribed till now, or if you're new, please consider subscribing and also keep all your notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So now that I have wet my hair and combed it really well, there should be no knots in the hair. So I've taken out the knots, I've combed my hair really well, and now I'm just going to put it into one high ponytail. I'm going to use the thicker rubber band here. If you have two thick rubber bands, that will work as well. So I'm going to use the thicker rubber band and put my hair in a high pony right about where the crown section is. And then I'm going to comb my hair once more while it's in the ponytail. I want to make sure that I'm grabbing all the hair in the ponytail and it's super straight. If you need to wet your hair a little bit more, please go ahead and do it, because cutting your hair in wet hair is a lot easier than in dry hair. Especially if you are cutting it for the first time, you want to make sure that all your hair is straight. And once I've combed it and made sure that the hair is straight, I'm going to put the rubber band slightly below where I'm going to cut the hair. So here I'm using the thinner rubber band. It's easier to work with a thinner rubber band. So if you have a thinner rubber band, use that and put the rubber band slightly above where you want to cut your hair. Now once the rubber band is in place, I'm just going to hold the hair between both the rubber bands very tight, and I'm going to slide the thin rubber band a little more towards the ends of the hair. So the way to cut your hair is slightly above the rubber band. So make sure you pull the rubber band to half an inch below where you want to cut your hair. And then I'm just taking my scissors and cutting the hair off half an inch above the rubber band. Since I'm using kitchen scissors here, it was really a task to get the hair to cut. So I did take a little bit of the time here, and you will see that it was quite a struggle for me to get to the end of this. So let's just take a moment and rejoice the completion of this cut. And now I'm just going to put the ponytail over my head and I'm just put it onto my forehead, and I'm going to make sure there is nothing uneven. I'm going to comb my hair and see if I find anything uneven. I'm just going to cut off that portion. So I do see some uneven sections, so I'm just going to use the help of the comb that I'm using, and I'm just going to cut off the sections where I feel it's a little uneven. And then once I'm sure that it's even, I'm just going to open up the ponytail, make a center parting, and then I'm just going to take the front portion of my hair and make sure that it's even. If it looks a little uneven, just cut off the portion that you feel is uneven to make it straight. And then I'm going to check my hair symmetrically on both sides. I'm just going to pull the hair in little batches to the front of my chin, and I'm going to make sure that both of them are of the same length, and where I feel it's a little uneven, I'm just going to cut off the extra hair. There was not a lot of unevenness. Most of the hair was of the same length on both sides. Just a couple of sections here and there. I just needed to cut off a little bit on one or two of the sections. More or less, the haircut turned out to be really good. So this is the final result. You can see how nice the haircut is. So this type of haircut that I have is more voluminous around the face. I have a big face, so more volume around the face always helps, and as it goes down the hair becomes slightly thinner, so that really helps in managing the hair. I try to cut my hair at certain intervals because once it grows my hair starts falling. It gets really difficult to manage. There are split ends, so I try to cut my hair at certain intervals. I would not say regular because I'm not regular with it, but I really feel nice once I have trimmed my hair by 1 or 2 inches at least. So this is how it turned out. I hope you liked this video. Do give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. My next video is going to be the hair color from Garnier that I had promised you guys earlier, and that is going to come up very soon. So keep all your notifications on so that you don't miss that video. It's going to be a very interesting video. So that's it for today's video. Do like, share, subscribe, comment and all that good stuff, and I will see you again very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.